What's up, guys? This is Dwight here with Auction Up. I got the family in the van with me, and I got my chauffeur, my lovely wife Laura, and my princess is in the back. And what are we going to go do today? We're going yard selling. I absolutely love yard selling. I need to go to another auction in the near future, but I have so much stuff piled up. I have so much stuff going on right now. I need to make a video just on that later today, actually. But yeah, we're heading to a yard sale. Let's see what kind of treasures we can find. Now, my youngest has a message for you guys. What do they need to do? She dropped the ball. Come on, do it. Say it. Oh, she's not cooperating. Okay, guys, that's the joys of having a toddler. See, I called you a toddler, even though I know you're not a toddler. Anyway, please remember to subscribe to the channel and to like the videos. YouTube, their algorithm, the way it works, the more likes I get, the more they'll show my videos to other people generically. But yeah, so we're gonna head to this yard sale. It's supposed to be a community yard sale. I have no idea what to expect. Hopefully it's pretty good. See you there. Alright. Hello.
Morning.
Let's steal my man. Yeah, baby kid, come on.
Morning.
No, because when I'm not here, steal.
See what we got for books today. Lady and the Tramp.
That's what everybody did during quarantine.
Any good books?
No.
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't have
Young
one.
folks.
Yeah, Baba. Are you under the tree?
It's not hot under here.
It's not hot under the tree? That's good.
Ooh, there's some cool stuff.
Yeah, $3 up here.
Oh yeah. Let's see what we got. This is. Now we're talking.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, candy dish, 50 cents. I love candy dishes. Ooh, beautiful candy dish, 50 cents. That is awesome. I'm gonna sit these over to the side. Yeah. There you go.
Tell you one more time.
Let's look at this pedestal here. Made in China. It's just cool looking. It's got age, but made in China. Hey, look at this, Lord.
What?
Look at this bus.
Can I get
It's
this?
adorable.
Yes,
Okay.
but it's made in China. But it's an older sticker.
Nah.
No? Alright. Let's see what else we got here.
Yeah, and talk to me then.
What numbers are there?
No, that's not a 6, honey.
What is it?
Look at it. What is it?
25?
There you go.
25.
Alright, so we got one. Yes,
25 cents.
that's fun.
Okay, you take it off when you come. So
As long as your mother said okay, I don't care.
she said okay.
I don't care. Kind of interested in those 50 cents for these guys.
Daddy,
Yes?
can I get this too?
What is it?
It's this.
No. Now you're getting goofy.
Stay upstairs and it isn't broken yet.
That is what she's doing.
So she does all the time.
I figured that out, Laura. It turned to nose.
Daddy, do you want this?
Oh yes, this is nice right here.
Hey,
Nice
you want
ashtray.
this? You can use it for your video.
Huh?
You can use this for your video.
Use what for my video? At the
For the
end?
bow.
Huh?
For the bow. Daddy.
This nice little platter, made in Japan. It's a little older. And this ashtray is cool. Hey, Starry.
Oh, what are you going to put in it? Look for Daddy. I'm going to get for Daddy.
Look what wet does. Do you like it that much? Not too exciting.
What else?
I've got something.
Oh, you're good.
Alright. Hey, Laura. Did you see these?
It's adorable.
There's two of them?
Daddy,
No?
can I get this?
No? No.
Something you play.
No. You're turning into a hoarder child. I can't let that happen.
Please, Daddy.
Nope.
I had nothing like this.
I know. I'm so mean.
Busy day, huh?
Let's see what we got over here, guys. Ooh. Hey, Laura. Oh, elephants are pretty. Never mind. Nah. This looks like a McCoy. This is not a McCoy. It's a pretty cool planter, though. Look at that.
Okay.
What do you think?
It's up to you.
Let me guess. You're thinking I don't buy, I list.
I'm just kind of thinking we have so much already, actually. So much. It's up to you.
Yeah. We have so much, what, treasures?
So
When you
much
call them treasures, I won't be mad.
stuff in general.
This is cool.
Some
Look at
still
this.
needs to be gone through.
This is Japan.
Leaning chair.
See where you can find that one. That catches my eye. Try to look it up.
Yeah. Does this thing?
Mommy,
Give it to Daddy.
I need you to put it. I need you to get it.
How about this?
No.
Daddy, please. That sounds good, but at night.
What's that? Sears napkin holder.
Yeah.
You know what?
That was my son-in-law's chair. Will you take 5 for it? All right.
Look at this. This is that old mushroom.
Oh, yeah,
Oh yeah. See, I won her over. It is like us being hoarders, though. I ain't gonna lie, guys. My wife's not lying. We have too much stuff. But that's why they call things storage units. And like I said, I can always move her out of the house. Oh, yeah. Put her in a tent. I already have one of these Swan planters. Didn't do much. What else did you find, Starry? Sniffles. Corral.
Sorry, did you put back the phone thing?
Nice run. Awesome, awesome run.
Yeah.
Was that, did you find it, Laura?
Yeah, no.
Alright.
It does work real well. Right. CD too.
What's this? Little Coca-Cola bear.
I knew you said you'd be back, but I didn't think you would. Oh well, it's my break. Yeah. I was going to open that stereo over. Your stereo?
No, I don't need one. I've got one in the house.
That thing looks good. I had it hooked up in here yesterday,
Oh yeah?
and put a CD in it.
Uh-huh.
Boy, that thing really cranks her out there.
Yeah.
Fortunately,
I got one of them.
Right? 8, including baby Dominic.
What? How did I get mine?
I don't know.
But
There's
Come
one in there.
back
Why
and
don't
choose
you?
things I like.
Pick up these.
There's one.
That's what I can make.
Ah, Mommy, that's creepy.
Oh, yeah.
Those are super high. They almost look like Rapunzel husband.
I have Wind Rider.
Yep, I think so.
Loop around. Think about the wrap up. Persistence paid off.
Half of the world.
Ellie, did you look at the dresses over there, Ellie?
That's neat.
Oh, wow.
Dad, think about getting this. Dad, look what I was thinking about getting. Dad, think about getting this.
Nah. What are you going to do with it? Where are you going to put it?
I have a glass and I can put it on top of.
Yeah, I don't think you
It
need
would be
it.
perfect.
Nah.
I'm trying to.
Nah. I think you're a little hoarder. Do you know what that means? No.
Hey, good.
Hey, what is that? Let me see that.
Yeah, I had it hooked up about 2 days ago, and I put a CD in it to crank her up. Boy, that thing rings out, boy, I'll tell you.
Yeah, I'll take it.
If you want to hear it play, I can play it for you.
Nah.
Okay, it's got all the,
I know where you live.
okay.
Yeah,
All the,
I'll take it. I just don't know how to put it back.
okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
I have one already, 5 CD, but I want to hook my own speakers into it, which I can with that.
That's got all, I got all the speaker wires sticking in the back there.
Yeah.
It's all right. It's all right.
All right. Myrtle Beach. Love Myrtle Beach. All right. That's so funny. Oh, we gotta get ready to go. Here you go.
Sorry, Dad's paying now. Daddy's not paying now. I was just kidding.
12:31 o'clock.
How much is that, Starry? The doll. Okay, go ahead, go ahead. Alright, that it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I know the two glass things. $5.75. 5.75 plus 25. That's $6. Okay. And so plus 50 cents. 75. So 75. Another 25. Anything else?
No. You got some?
We're done.
Okay.
I think that was $6.75. $6.75.
Alright. Here is 2.7.
Yep.
Is there a camera in that box?
Oh, no.
Ah, okay. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Alright, guys.
All right, thanks very much. Have a nice day.
Hey, you too, sir. Hey, Laura. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've learned this from watching the videos. I want you to read that and then look it up. This is a bluegrass dusting powder by Elizabeth Arden. And I saw in the back that it said that it was made in the USA. Told me it was older. And I'm recently learning, because I'm watching all these videos, that vintage makeup products go for serious money if you know what you're looking for. And I've just learned that recently. So this is a hit. I don't know how much exactly,
Put your back.
but this is a hit. You guys can look it up. This bluegrass dusting powder. Okay, 75 cents for it. Alright guys, well this is going to be the wrap up of our run today. Started slow, but it worked out towards the end. Please remember to subscribe and to like my channel. Until next time, stay blessed, stay happy.